Hamon, and at center number 20, Greg Zilla Slaughter. The head coach is Gabby Zubit.
For joining us, ladies and gentlemen, the second game of our terrific Thursday triple header here at the West Arena in Valenzuela City. Earlier today, it was Pasay winning against Binyan. Later on for our main game, it's the Valenzuela Classic defending their home floor against the Davao Occidental Tigers. DJ Mitchell opening up the scoring festivities here with a 3. Continuing to make changes as it should be, but it's still a long way to go para sa kanila.
You know what's scary about this Manila team is these are the types of team that just peaks at the right time. No?
Sean O'Malley will eventually leave this team because he is an SGL player para sa kanila. Oh, CBC is off to a hot start here. 2 3-pointers right away.
CBC just showing everybody why he is once part of the national team. The modern day stretch 4. The ball game para dito sa Manila.
A 3-pointer by DJ Mitchell, followed up by 2 trifectas coming from that man, Carl Bryant Cruz. A 9-0 blast here. The kids have come from the outside and they have not yet missed the other one coming from the...
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel...
DJ Mitchell, and that is the rim protection that Greg Zilla can guarantee you. A Pasible from the baseline. That's no good. Slaughter haulers the rebound.
Para dito sa Manila because they will be having that advantage with the length that they have. You have CBC, Greg Slaughter, and your wings, Tempra. So wala talagang hindi magagamit dito sa 5 nitong Manila.
Mitchell also continues to remain unscathed from the outside. 2 out of 2. 4 3-pointers in total for Manila. 2 from DJ Mitchell, 2 from CBC.
And you also have to commend Greg Slaughter.
An equally impressive victory para sa Manila as we take a look at this 3-point shot brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances.
You know, I'm gonna argue early on in the season, already 3.5 minutes at wala pang nasushoot itong Rizal early on here in the ball game. So huge struggle, especially with the talent level of Rizal. But Manila just making everything they're taking from the outside. That's already 5 3-pointers in the first 4 minutes of the ball game.